Today we're cooking hamburgers, but we're gonna do it Elite Barbecue Smoker style. That means we're doing monster burgers. We're gonna make it fun. So come on, let's get to prepping so we get to cooking. So what we got here, we got our prime rib steak burgers. I love the flavor of these, the texture of these. I think they add something to a hamburger. We got our regular green leaf lettuce, regular tomato. We got regular bratwurst sausage here we got from the grocery store, and we got some bacon. On top of that, we have a Munster cheese, and then we have the regular hamburger buns. So our season we use today is Rufus Teague steak rub and Blues Hogs bold and beefy. I think the combination of these two rubs really gives a good flavor to beef, and I just love using them for around the house cooking. And then we'll put ketchup, mayonnaise, and of course, it can't be right without Duke's mayonnaise. So let's get this thing prepping so we can get ready to put it on the grill. To start with, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my bratwurst sausage in half and go ahead and put them on the grill, because that's gonna take a little while to cook, and I want them to cook. To do the bacon here, we're gonna do something a little bit differently. We're gonna actually make a weave. So I'm gonna come right here, I'm gonna start making a weave pattern. So as you see the weave pattern, I'm just gonna take them basically one on top of the other, and just kind of making just a loose laying weave pattern. Once I've got that, I'm gonna come right here and take this, and I'm gonna cut it in half, and I'm gonna put this in the skillets and put it in the frying pan. So while I have that going on here, I'm gonna start seasoning my burgers to get ready to put them on the grill too. So I'm gonna cut the heat down this thing about, choke it all the way off just about. Because I want to kind of just calm it down and let it cook them like I want to cook them. I don't want to necessarily cook it like it's gonna burn them up. Just kind of calm them down a little bit. All right, so we're gonna flip our hamburgers. They've been on about 1.5 2 minutes. We're gonna flip them. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take my bratwurst. I'm gonna turn them over, put them meat side down, let the skin up. Just kind of get them done a little more. Bacon's looking good. So now I'm gonna take my bacon off of the skillet. I'm gonna put it right here on those grates. So I'm gonna take my tomatoes I've got right here. I'm gonna lay it out on my board. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this Blues Hogs bold and beefy. Just a little bit of it, and I'm gonna go right over top of it. Then I'm gonna take these and set these here off to the side. About 120, a little bit more time. They getting there. Our sausage is ready. So I'm gonna take my sausage right here on this frying pan. Go ahead and pull it off. Just set it right here in the frying pan. Same thing with my bacon. Take it and set it here in the frying pan. Because they kind of got to the texture we're looking for. Don't want them too crispy, but I don't want them to be chewy either. My frying pan's getting a little hot. Hot potato, hot potato. So I'm gonna take my burgers, I'm gonna flip them over, I'm gonna pull them over here to the indirect side. Just kind of let them keep cooking, but I want to be able to control them. I don't want them to get burnt on me. So I'm gonna flip them over here. They ain't far off the coals, just far enough to say they're off the coals a little bit. All right, burgers is done. Got the firmness we're looking for. So we want to add our cheese to it. Put the cheese out now. All right, let's check the buns. Getting there. I'll move over here just a second. I want to watch them doing this. Kind of sharp real fast. So all I'm doing is just toasting them. Looking for right there. A little bit of char marks on them. What we're looking for. All right, let's start assembling our hamburgers. We come around the bottom, start putting a little bit of Duke's mayonnaise in this thing. Now I'm gonna come on top of that, a little bit of ketchup, a lot of ketchup. Then I'm gonna come on top of that, I'm gonna take the burgers, double stack them. Then I'm gonna come on top of that. I'm gonna grab a handful of my bacon, got it right here, put it right there on top. Same thing with the other side. Now we'll go on top of that with our piece of lettuce to make it all healthy. Two pieces, make it super healthy. And we'll go on top of that with a tomato. We got the tower, a little bit of mustard. Just enough to say it's on there for me. Now I'm gonna come on top of that, my sausage. Then we'll put them on top. That, my friend, how you do a burger, do barbecue smoker style right there. That's a monster burger, ain't it? Boys and girls, looks like a masterpiece. Not even sure I want to cut it, but we're gonna cut it. So it'll probably fall apart, but if it does, it does. Look at that. And it didn't fall apart. Look at that right there. Look at that. That is what I'm talking about right there. You see that? Perfectly cooked. Medium hamburgers, bratwurst sausage, tomatoes, bacon all in there. That's perfect, man. That is absolutely perfect. It'll never stay that way. Just set it down this way. Now, how are we gonna eat it? Look at this right here. I'm pushing down, the juice is just flowing out this thing. Look at that. Look at that juice. Let's see if we can bite in this bad boy. Y'all ready? I'm ready. Man, what are you talking about? You better shut the front door on this one. This is good. I think I'm wearing it. Great God, that's good. Lord have mercy. Dolly, I'm not sure you'll get this one. I don't know if I can let you have this one. This one's just too good. Lord have mercy. That's how you cook a hamburger, Lee Barbecue Smoker style. As you see in the ingredients, we got prime rib, we got bacon, we got bratwurst sausage, roof steak steak rub, Blues Hogs bold and beefy. We got lettuce to make it healthy. We got tomatoes on it to make it taste better, with Duke's mayonnaise. Cooked on Weber grill, you can't beat that, man. It's a good, simple recipe. If you like our videos, make sure to subscribe to us at the bottom. Leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear back from you. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. We got new videos posting every week. We'd love to interact with you. But please subscribe, because we got new stuff like this coming every week. We'd love for you to know about it. But we're getting ready to say the blessing, go inside and eat us some supper. But before we do that, we're gonna let Dolly try it. Dolly, you ready for this? I bet you are. Now listen, you can't drop this one. So I'm gonna give you this. You're gonna eat up my hand, but don't bite me. Come here. Come on. Come on. Sit down. You ready? Oh, you're chewing it. She's chewing it. Is that good? Dolly's chewing it, yo. Holy cow, that's a good one. Dolly likes it. Reckon you will too. So let's say the blessing. So we go outside and eat some supper, because I know Michelle wants this. Lord, bless food by receiving. Just name and pray. Amen. Thank y'all for watching. See you next time.